Lexar Homes loves building homes at every price point, and one of the things that we know that's important to most people right now is affordability. Behind me here we have a home from our Founders Collection. This is the Hinkle 1850. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got a nearly completed home. This is one of the most popular floor plans in our Founders Collection because it is such a Swiss Army knife of a plan. Lots of different modifications that can be done on the website by changing, altering, and adjusting. So as we come in here, we've got our front door, and you're gonna immediately be greeted by an entryway. And as you can see, one of the things that's important to us is that we're protecting your investment throughout the entirety of the build. We're at the nearly finished stage, and we have protective floor covering down, so that way your laminate floors that are waterproof and done throughout most of the home here are going to stay safe until the time that we're finished with construction. Coming on in here, we've got our great room, kitchen and dining room setup here, appointed very nicely with quartz countertops, and then we have a painted cabinet set here in a beautiful gray that the clients have chosen. Soft close on all of the doors and drawers in the cabinet sets. Installed the microwave hood vent. That's something that the Lexar Homes branch likes to do because we want to make sure that we're taking care of the ventilation in your home. Again, we've got undermounted sink, backsplash in the same quartz material. And in this home, one of the wonderful things that we have in here that most people love, including my wife, is a nice walk-in pantry. All the shelving is going to be included, so that's not something that you're going to have to worry about. Something that some builders like to do is they like to skimp on certain things, including shelving, bathroom accessories, and other items that are essential for the move-in process here. Walking through here, we've got chandelier. This customer picked out a black hardware for their lighting fixtures, really like that. The black hardware is matched in all the areas, including the pendant lighting, and then you'll also see that in the bathroom spaces. Window sills are going to be included there with an apron. Got a wonderful sliding glass door. Refrigerators are going to be installed here once our painter is done with all of the touch-up work that needs to be taken care of before customer moves in. Walking through this way now, we're going to be heading down the hallway. This is where the most modifications can happen in the home here as far as what's shown on our website. So some changes that you could make. You could add a powder room. You can change the office into a bedroom space. You can add a sliding glass door to the primary suite there. To our right, we have our primary suite, and to the left here, we have 3 bedrooms. This client decided to go with the 3-bedroom design. And in our primary suite, something that I love, his and hers closets. I'll let you decide which one is his and which one's hers. I'll tell you, the one we're looking at right now is just a smidge smaller. We either have options for ductless mini split system or a ducted high performance heat pump. In this home, we've gone with the ducted high performance heat pump. The client decided to go with that. That is an upgrade option, so should you choose to want to do that, we can always option that in. As we go in here, we have a 4-piece primary suite that will include our soaking tub, shower, and then we've got sink and toilet. The toilet room, one of the things that most people don't like to talk about it, but enjoy it, is the fact that the toilet room in the primary suite is partitioned off. Lots of countertop space in there for getting ready in the morning. Something else that the customers have decided to do is include a sliding glass door off of their primary suite. This can be really nice if you're considering doing a jacuzzi, hot tub, or just simply want access to your back patio area. And again, to my right here, we have either an office or in this case has been converted into a 4th bedroom. The bedrooms in this home are 10 by 11 in most of the areas, with 10.5 by 11 in a couple of the rooms. I believe in bedroom 2 and 3, those are just slightly larger. So we got bedroom 2 and 3 up front. Take notice too that we have extra large windows in here. All the windows in the home in the bedroom spaces are 5050. That stands for a 5-foot by 5-foot window opening. Really love the fact that we get a lot of natural light coming in through those windows, especially in our bedroom spaces, which can get dark if you've got those smaller windows. To our right, we have our guest bathroom / kids bathroom here. Some of the hardware has been installed, including the curtain rod there. Utility room. We've got our extra cabinets and utility sink that are upgrade options that are available on our website there, so you can check out the pricing for those. All of our homes can have that done as an upgrade option. And heading out into the garage. Customer went with a 3rd bay garage here. Includes 3 shop lights there. Garage door openers are included. The upgrade option that the customer went with in this area was including sheetrock and insulation in both of those, as well as the insulated garage doors. Heat pump hot water heater for energy efficiency. And then if you need access to the outside and don't want to open your garage door, we have included a man door. Building a home that's well built doesn't have to come with a high price tag. And as you can see in here and kind of feel from the space that we're in, the work that's been done here is excellent. We've got quartz countertops, we've got great cabinets that have been installed cleanly. Floor deflection is minimal throughout the home, so as you're walking through, you can feel the sturdiness of the underfloor that's been done. The lighting has been done well. This is a home that you'll love.